relevant authorities to come now, today, because we're not leaving today. We're not going to work or put our service back on the road until this road is fixed. We're not moving. So the relevant authorities, we're asking please and thanks to come to our aid today.
I know the funny thing about this, unless we forget, you remember a couple of years ago they introduced a special consumption tax on gas. And that reason for that special consumption tax is to fix the road. Where is that tax allocated now? Where it gone? They said it was supposed to fix the road. Is it being used to do something else? No problem. But what about the road? Why neglect the road? That is my concern. Why neglect the road? And they tax it twice. So what happened to all those money that being allocated? Every day gas sell. Every day gas sell. And taxi and bus operators buy the most gas. So we are telling me where's those millions of dollars that is allocated on an annual basis? Tell me, where does it go? Sewage is unbearable because the drain is blocked, the sewage is overflowing, and the road right now vehicles are stuck in it. So we are asking the relevant authority to see what they can do to resolve this problem. We understand that we have sore foot everywhere, but we need to sort out through one as Jamaican. You understand? It's not about the J or the P. It's about fixing the problem that we have right now. So if you notice right now,
at the roads before the British left, they were well maintained.
Yes.
For some strange reason, our politicians collect our taxes but can't seem to be able to manage roads. It's very simple,
Yes.
You design the road properly.
Tell me about it.
Yeah, you design the road properly first of all. So design is important, so the water can run off properly.
But there's no drain on the road. Where are you gonna run to?
That's what I'm saying. Design.
Okay. Perfect.
So when you design, you must have proper drainage.
Yes.
And you must have a proper belly in the road for the water to run and all of that.
Yes.
Then you have to compact it properly. You have to select the right material and the right amount of material and mix of material. And then you have to apply it properly, right? And then after that, you have to maintain. Now, if you maintain, your cost is much smaller because you're just maintaining so it lasts longer. An asphalted road is supposed to last anywhere from 13 to 15 years,
Okay.
if properly maintained. So clearly, they're taking our money, but they're not giving us the benefit.
Okay.